Welcome to the channel. This is my DIY e-bike, which started off as a Carrera Kraken from Halfords. The conversion kit is a ready-to-roll kit from Grin Technologies. All links in the description below. And the hub motor is an RH212 from 9 Continent. It's rated between 600 and 1200 watts, though you can push more power through it. The motor controller, a base runner, is hidden in the battery cradle, and a cycle analyst display handles all the functions as well as powering the front and rear lights. I've had this for over a year now and never had any issues with it. In the next video, I'll take it for a spin.